we are taking example on this. Example on minor and cofactor. Find all the minors and cofactors of cofactors of 3 by 3 matrix. 1 0 minus 2, 1 0 minus 2, 3 minus 1 2, 3 minus 1 2, 4 5 6, 4 5 6. Solution is here. Find it. You have to find here minor and a cofactor. I am taking 2 columns here. It's minor. Here I am taking cofactors. Now the first element is minor of. What is the formula for minor? Minor of first row first element is eliminating first row and first element, remaining determinant of 2 by 2 submatrix, and the cofactor is equal to minus 1 whole power I plus j of minor. Now minor of first row first element 1, which is equal to minor of 1. 1 is in first row first column. Now eliminating these two, minus 1 2 5 6, which is equal to minus 6 minus 10, which is minus 16. Here I am taking 2 by 2 submatrix here. Minus 1 2 5 6, minus 1 2 5 6. Here 2 cross 2. Determinant of 2 cross 2. The form of A B C D. Determinant of A B C D is AD minus BC. Minus 6 minus 10, which is minus 16. Now minor of second element 0, which is equal to minor of 0 is 3 2 4 6. 3 2 4 6, which is equal to 6 into 3 18 minus 4 into 2 8 is equal to 10. Third element is minus 2 is eliminating this 2 column. 3 minus 1 4 5, which is equal to 5 minus 2 minus plus 4 is 19. Now second row minor of 3. 3 is in second row first column. Now eliminating these two. 3 1. Now submatrix is 0 minus 2 5 6, which is equal to 0 minus into minus plus 10 is 10. The second element is 1. So minus 1. 3 minus 1 minus 2. 3 minus 1 2. Now second row, second column, minor of minus 1 is minor of minus 1, which is equal to eliminating this row and column 1 minus 2 4 6. Remaining submatrix is 1 minus 2 4 6, which is equal to 6 plus 8 is 14. Now next element is 2. Can be written as eliminating this 2 1 0 4 5. 1 0 4 5, which is equal to 5 minus 0 5. Second row finished. From third row, first element minor of 4. Minor of 4 is 0 minus 2 minus 1 2. 0 minus 2 minus 1 2, which is equal to 0 minus 2 is minus 2. Minor of 5. Minor of 5 is 5 is in third row second column. Third row second column. Then remaining submatrix is 1 minus 2 1 minus 2 3 2, which is equal to 2 plus 6, which is 8. And the last element is 6. Cofactor of 6 is 6 is in third row third column. 6 is in third row third column. Now eliminating these two, 1 0 3 minus 1. 1 0 3 minus 1 which is equal to minus 1 minus 0 is minus 1. These are the minors of given matrix. Now cofactors. First element, cofactor of first element 1 which is equal to, formula is minus 1 whole power I plus j. Here I represents rows and j represents columns. Here 1 is in first row first column. 1 is in first row first column. That means I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 1 and into minor of its element 1. Minor of 1. Minor of 1 is minus 16. Minor of 1 is minus 16 which is equal to minus 1 whole square becomes plus 1 into minus 16 let minus 16. Now the second element, cofactor of 0. Cofactor of 0. Again same formula, minus 1 whole power I plus j. 0 is in first row second column. Is in first row second column. That is I is equal to 1 and j is equal to 2 into minor of 0. Minor of an element. Minor of 0. Minor of 0 is 10 which is equal to minus 1 whole cube minus into 10 minus 10. Next, cofactor of minus 2. Cofactor of minus 2 is equal to minus 1 whole power, but minus 2 is in first row third column. First row this I is 1 and third column j is equal to 3 into minor of minus 2. Minor of minus 2 is 19 which is equal to minus 1 whole power 1 plus 3. 4 minus 1 whole power 4 becomes plus is equal to 19. First row finish from second row. Cofactor of 3. Cofactor of 3. Here 3 is in second row first column. Second row first column. That means I is equal to 2. First column j is equal to 1 into cofactor of minor of 3 is 10. Minor of 3 is 10 which is equal to minus 1 whole cube will be minus 10. Now cofactor of minus 1 which is equal to minus 1 whole power. Here minus 1 is in second row second column. That means I is equal to 2 plus j is equal to 2 into minor of minus 1 14 which is equal to minus 1 whole power 1 into 14 14. Next, minor of 2. Here cofactor of 2. Minus 1 whole power. Here 2 is in second row third column. Second row third column. That is I is equal to 2 and j is equal to 3 into minor of 2. Minor of 2 is 5 which is equal to minus 1 whole power 5 minus into 5 minus 5. From third row cofactor of 4. Cofactor of 4 is equal to minus 1 whole power. 4 is in third row first column. Third row first column. That is I is equal to 3 and j is equal to 1 into minor of 4. Minor of 4 is minus 2 which is equal to minus 1 whole power 4 is plus 1 then minus 2. Now cofactor of 5. Cofactor of 5. 5 is in third row second column. 5 is in third row second column, that is 3 plus 2 into minor of 5. Minor of 5 8 which is equal to minus 1 whole power 5 will be minus into 8 minus 8. Now last element is 6. Cofactor of 6 is equal to minus 1 whole power. 6 is in third row third column. That means I is equal to 2 and j is equal to 3. Sorry, I is equal to 3 and j is equal to 3 into minor of 6. Minor of 6 minus 1 which is equal to minus 1 whole power 6 will be plus 1. Plus 1 into minus 1 minus 1. So what we have observed here? We observed will be minus alternate plus minus 1 whole square will be plus minus 1 whole cube minus 1 whole power 4 plus minus 1 whole power 3 minus plus minus plus minus. These are the minus and cofactors of given matrix. Next concept is determinants. Already we have discussed for 2 by 2 matrix. Determinants. For 2 by 2 matrix. For 2 cross 2 matrix. If A is equal to A, B, C, D 2 by 2 matrix implies determinant of 2 by 2 matrix or determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. Determinant of given matrix is denoted by mod A is equal to AD minus BC. AD minus BC. Now for 3 by 3 matrix. For 3 cross 3 matrix. Definition of determinant of 3 cross 3 matrix. The sum of the product of the products of elements of the first row with their corresponding cofactors is called a determinant. Determinant is denoted by det A. Let A is equal to, general form of matrix is A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 C2 and A3 B3 C3 implies det A is equal to the sum of the products of the elements of the first row with their corresponding cofactors which is equal to first row A1 into cofactor of A1 plus, here we have to take only first row A1 into cofactor of A1, sum of the product of plus B1 into cofactor of B1 plus C1 into cofactor of C1 which is equal to A1 into cofactor of A1 is denoted by capital A1 plus B into B1 plus C into cofactor of C1 is denoted by capital C1 or ABC or C1. The determinant of A. Example on 3 by 3 determinant. Find the determinant of 1 0 minus 2, 3 minus 1 2, 3 minus 1 2, 4 5 6. Let given matrix let A is equal to given matrix 1 0 minus 2, 3 minus 1 2, 4 5. Then determinant of given matrix, determinant of A is A is equal to sum of the product of the cofactors of first row with their corresponding into 6, 18 minus plus 1 to minus 2 into minus 1 whole power from plus 3 into 5 15 minus into minus plus 4 equal to minus 6 minus 16 minus 10 minus 16 plus 0 into anything goes to 0 minus 2 into 15 plus 4 19 which is equal to minus 16 minus 38 minus 16 minus 38 minus 54 is the determinant of given matrix. Determinant of given matrix. Determinant of A is equal to minus 54. We will discuss another way of doing determinants. For example, find the determinant of 1 minus 1 2 1 minus 1 2 304 minus 4 minus 2 5 minus 4 minus 2 5. So the solution is, let A is equal to given matrix 1 minus 1 2 304 minus 4 minus 2 5. Now determinant of A is denoted by det A, which is equal to, you have to take only first row here, 1 into first row, first element plus, and taking minus plus, alternate plus minus here, plus into 1 of cofactor of 1, 0 minus into minus plus 8 minus of minus 1 into minus of minus 1 into, eliminating this row and column, 3 4 minus 4 5, 3 into 5 15 plus 16 plus 2 into remaining submatrix is 3 0 minus 4 minus 2 will get minus 6 minus 0, which is equal to 8 minus into minus plus 15 plus 16 31 minus 2 into 6 12, which is equal to 8 plus 31 8 plus 31 39 minus 12, which is equal to 27. Therefore determinant of given matrix is 27.